comforting Bible verses for overcoming depression. Jeremiah 31:13. Then the young women will dance for joy. The young and old men will join in. I will turn their mourning into laughter and their sadness into joy. I will comfort them. The good news. While it may be difficult to envision right now, better days are ahead. Days where you'll laugh instead of cry and dance with joy thanks to the power of the Lord. Psalm 116:8. You, God, have delivered me from death, my eyes from tears, and my foot from stumbling. The good news. There will come a day when you'll look back on this difficult time and realize the work God was doing behind the scenes. It may have been hard to see at the time, but He is always there ushering you toward the right path. Psalm 106:5. Let those who plant with tares reap the harvest with joyful shouts. The good news. Continuing to persevere, even when times are tough, shows great strength and resilience, both of which God will reward in due time. To Timothy 1:4. When I remember your tears, I long to see you so that I can be filled with happiness. The good news. Never forget that there are loved ones in your life who care about you, including the Lord. Whether they are near or far, know you can always count on them to bring a smile to your face during tough times. Psalm 30:17. When the righteous cry out, the Lord listens. He delivers them from all their troubles. The good news. At the end of the day, we are all God's people. If you turn to Him, He will prevail. While His work may take time, trust that He will lead you out of the darkness and into a bright light. Thank you for tuning in and exploring the mysteries of the Holy Bible with us. If you found this discussion intriguing and wish to delve deeper into the teachings of the Bible, consider following or subscribing to our channel for more enlightening content. Let's spread the wisdom found in the Holy Bible to all humanity. Together, we can journey towards a greater understanding of faith, love, and the divine mysteries that shape our lives. Thank you for listening until the end of the video. Stay blessed and continue seeking truth and knowledge.